channel. So today I am going to do a quick get out the door glam, and this is something that I do if I know that I want my makeup to last all day, look put together, but I don't want to put too much time and effort into it. So basically, if you guys want to see this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going in with my foundation first, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution foundation. I love this foundation. I love the applicator on it too. It's really precise, and I like that I don't waste any product. And I just put it all over my face. Then I am going to take my beauty blender and start blending this all out. Foundation is super lightweight, but it's also full coverage. That's why I love it. I'm also putting this on my eyelids. I'm going to use it as my primer too. Okay, now for my concealer, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this duo is literally so good. Using them together, they just blend out seamlessly. And I love how full coverage it is, and I love that it's super lightweight, so it doesn't feel heavy on your face as well. So that is a big plus. Okay, to set my under eyes, I'm going in with my Airspun Loose setting powder. And I'm just going to set everything. And I'm also setting my eyes too, like my eyelids. Okay, so for the eyes today, I'm not doing anything crazy. I just want a little bit of definition in my eyes. So I'm going in with my Morphe and Kathleen Lights palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here as my first transition shade. And I'm just going to, as I drop my brush, I'm going to blend that into the crease. And I'm going for a daytime look, so I don't want anything too smoky. Just a little something just to give your eyes some definition. Going in with this warmer brown shade and working that into the crease as well. Not taking it too high, and I'm not blending it above that first transition shade. Just really focusing this on the outer corner of the eye. I'm sorry, I still sound like I'm sleeping. I just woke up. So I sound like I have my morning voice. Okay, just to deepen up just a little bit, I'm going to go in with that black shade. And I'm just going to take a hair of this and start working this on the outer corner. Okay, so I'm going to take, what do I want to do? I'm going to take some of this gold shade right here, or on my finger, and then just place it right on the lid. This is literally just a simple everyday look. Nothing too crazy. It's very easy and beginner friendly. And then I'm just going to take that brush and just blend out the edges so everything looks seamlessly and all blended out. Now I'm going to apply my false lashes, and I'm using the one and only Kiss Lash. Okay, while my eyes are basically watering and my lash glue is drying, I'm going to go in and set the rest of my face using my True Match powder. I have super sensitive eyes in the morning, Like, they water every morning, and it's always a struggle to put my lashes on. So, I'm just waiting for that to dry down. Okay, to warm up the skin, I'm going in with my Morphe 8L palette. And I'm going to take the shade Donut and Blogger and blend those together and put those right on my cheeks. These are very warm shades, so you're not going to want to contour with these shades. You're just going to warm up the skin and bronze with these. Now, to actually go in and contour, I'm going to take my Butter Bronzer. I'm sorry, my eyes are literally watering like crazy. I'm struggling this morning. I'm on the struggle bus. But I'm going to take the shade, and this is more of a gray undertone, so you want to contour with something that has a cooler hue to it, so it looks like a natural shadow. I'm just going to put that everywhere that we just put that bronzer. Okay. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with my Milani blush, and this is in the shade Tea Rose, and I'm going to take a little bit of that and pop that on my cheeks. And then going back into that Morphe 8L palette, going to take the shade Mirage right here, and I'm going to highlight. Going back in with the Morphe and Kathleen Lights palette, I'm going to take a small little shader brush and take that chocolate brown that we went into and smoke out the bottom lash line. Now, I don't want to do anything too dark just because this is a daytime look, but I always like to mirror what I do on the top to the bottom, just so everything looks all put together. Then I'm going to take some of this shade right here and highlight the inner corners. And I'm also going to take it on the back of my finger and hit the brow bone. Which, wow, that's like blinding. This is such a pretty shade. And a trick when you do that, I'm going to go back in with that blending brush and just blend out everything, just so you don't see like a big strip of highlight. Going in with mascara, I'm just going to use my Cosmetics Mascara like always, and go ahead and just coat the top and bottom lashes. Okay, to finish off the lips, I'm going in with Maliboo from Kylie Cosmetics. I love this shade. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this is one of the looks that I choose to do if I know that I have to be a little bit more glam for the day, but it's such an easy and quick look. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See ya!